Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make steak teriyaki. First, prepare your steak by slicing 1 pound of sirloin or flank steak into thin strips, about 1/4 inch thick. Next, whisk together 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sake, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar to create your marinade. Add the steak to this mixture and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes or up to 2 hours in the refrigerator. Now, let's cook the steak. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat until shimmering. Add the marinated steak in a single layer, working in batches if necessary, to avoid overcrowding the pan. Sear each side for about 2 minutes until beautifully browned and cook to your desired doneness. Remove the cooked steak from the pan and set it aside. Next, we'll create that delicious teriyaki sauce. In the same skillet, combine 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sake, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. In a small bowl, whisk together 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water to form a slurry. Stir the slurry into the simmering sauce and cook for about 3 minutes until it thickens and coats the back of a spoon. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Return your perfectly cooked steak strips to the skillet with the thickened teriyaki sauce. Toss the steak gently to ensure every piece is thoroughly coated in that glossy, flavorful sauce. Serve your homemade steak teriyaki immediately over a bed of steamed white rice, perhaps garnished with some toasted sesame seeds and sliced green onions for an extra touch. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.